It's Brad's Laboratory.
Alright, today I got a blown up, busted old wheelbarrow tire I gotta get changed out. This is I think I decided it was a 350/250-6 or -8. And it's dry rotted and the inner tube blew. So see if I can get this off of here. My wife stole all my bigger pry bars for gold prospecting. Well, but that one's gonna work. I think. There we go. One side done. There's the hub. I'm gonna throw the rest of this away. This is the inner tube blown and the tire's all dry rotted. Alrighty. Alrighty, Aphrodite. My wife got into this package, but a new inner tube and a new tire. This is a 358, which I think is the same as we had. 350/258. Looks about the same. See, you want to get the hub with the little doohickey facing up, and then get it jammed in here. There we go. Now get into here. Get this jammed in. Ah, you little. Now then, You gotta try and do this all without any tools, and try not to pinch the inner tube while you're doing it. And there we go. Got about 32 in there. It says 35, but I think 32 is going to be pretty good for starters. Let's go put that on the wheelbarrow. One wheelbarrow, all fixing.
It's Brad's laboratory. It's kinda crazy and a little bit weird, but it's gonna be awesome sauce, cause it's Brad's laboratory. It's Brad's laboratory. So grab a spot, you'll learn a lot, maybe even how to build a robot, cause it's Brad's laboratory.